Josh Engineering Limited, a part of the well-diversified Josh Group, was established in 1948. Josh Engineering was established as a separate company in the year 1973 to enable it focus on water control gates business. Within 2 decades, Josh became the biggest gate manufacturer in India with dominant market share. This dominant position resulted into a very high awareness of Josh as a brand name, and to capitalize on this, Josh decided to diversify its products portfolio. With this aim, Josh entered into collaboration with Schutte Group of Germany to offer a wide range of valves for liquid and bulk solids industry. In the year 2000, Josh joined hands with Holland Group of Norway to manufacture fine and coarse screening equipment. In the year 2007, Josh entered into collaboration with Weco Armature in Germany to manufacture its range of mono-knife gate valves. Josh simultaneously developed a wide range of other screening products indigenously to meet varied applications of the industry. In the year 2009, Josh acquired SureSeal, a dominant player in Indian market for water hammer control valves for long-distance cross-country pumped rising mains. In the year 2010, Josh set up a wholly owned subsidiary in USA to cater to the American market. Josh subsequently acquired Shivpath Engineers Private Limited, Chennai, a well-known manufacturer of process equipment in water industry. This acquisition enabled Josh to offer primary treatment equipment along with gates, screen and valves. In November 2011, Josh tied up with Rehard, Germany to manufacture Archimedean screw pumps for stormwater and wastewater pumping, and hydropower screw turbines for power generation at low water heads. To meet the requirements of raw water intake and sea water intake business, Josh joined hands with FSM Germany in 2012 to offer their product range of traveling band screens. Simultaneously, Josh entered into technical collaboration with Maher Maschinenbau, Austria, to manufacture its multi-raking screen and perforated screen. The close and successful tie-up with Maher Maschinenbau ultimately led to acquisition of Maher Maschinenbau, Austria, and Engineering and Manufacturing, Hong Kong by Josh in September 2014. To strengthen the specialty valves business, Josh finally tied up with Stealth Valves of Canada to offer its range of energy-dissipating valves. These collaborations and acquisitions have made Josh a leading supplier in the water and wastewater equipment business, enabling it to supply its range of products to more than 35 countries worldwide. In many of these countries, Josh is a major supplier with a dominant market share. Today, with offices in India, USA, Austria and Hong Kong, Josh is geared to serve the need of its client in major parts of the world and aims to become a leading supplier of its equipment worldwide. Josh is an ISO 9001 approved company and many of its products are CE certified. Josh is amongst the few companies worldwide to obtain NSF certification for stainless steel gates and conduct 25,000 cycle accelerated seat wear test for verifying sealing performance. Josh has invested in a modern office infrastructure to cater to all its manpower needs till year 2018. The cast products plant has all essential facilities in-house. The stores plant has proper storage facility and a positive material identification instrument to re-verify chemical composition of every incoming material. The foundry shop is geared to make hand-molded grey iron castings weighing up to 18 tons and has fully equipped quality control laboratory. The cast iron gates plant has its own infrastructure for machining, assembly, testing and painting. The gates plant has a hydrostatic testing facility that can be used to conduct leakage test of gates up to 3500 by 5000 mm size and hydrostatic loads up to 250 tons. The largest cast iron gate manufactured till date is of 3200 by 4500 mm size, weighing over 22 tons. The valve plant is fully equipped to meet all the critical manufacturing requirements of knife gate valves and bulk solids handling valves. This plant can manufacture valves up to 3000 mm size. The largest valve manufactured till date is of 2000 mm size in cast steel construction and 1600 mm dia in super duplex construction and 2510 by 1050 mm size in fabricated construction. The fabricated products plant is equipped with diversified machinery for manufacturing of fabricated products. It has facility to shear and bend plates up to 16 mm thickness and profile cutting of plates up to 40 mm thickness using heatless CNC water jet cutting machine. TIG, MIG and arc welding processes are carried out using qualified processes and welders in line with ASME Section 9. After welding, all weld joints are tested for cracks using dia penetration and magnetic particle inspection. To prevent intergranular and crevice corrosion, all submerged joints are continuously welded. The assembly of stainless steel products is done in a clean area free of ferrous contamination and has facility for stainless steel shot blasting, bath pickling and passivation. The carbon steel products plant has facility to handle jobs weighing 30 tons and conduct shot blasting and painting of products as large as 5 meters wide and 20 meters long. The SEZ plant caters exclusively to export business and is equipped with complete infrastructure required for manufacture of stainless steel gates and various valves for export market. Josh is amongst the very few companies in this line of business to have invested on such comprehensive manufacturing facilities. This manufacturing strength, along with a well-diversified product portfolio, has enabled Josh to become a reliable partner for various companies worldwide. Our vision is to lead the industry and command respect for ourselves and our stakeholders through growth, innovation, and customer focus. We shall realize this vision by having clear core values which define us and our work.